Okay, so OnePlus 10 series users, OnePlus 11 series users have started getting stable Oxygen OS builds from OnePlus. I know there are few users who haven't received the OTA update, and that's the reason I'm doing this short video so that I can tell you guys how to update your OnePlus 11, OnePlus 11R, OnePlus 10 Pro or even OnePlus 10T. I'll provide all these zip files in the description below so that you guys can manually update your device. It will be a short video, and we are doing this video because a lot of comments we have seen that they haven't received the OTA update. So by following this method, you guys can update your device to stable build of Oxygen OS 14. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have my OnePlus 11, though I have already updated the device, but I'll tell you guys the exact process. First of all, what you have to do is you need to download this zip file which are given in the description below. For my OnePlus 11, the update size was around 6 GB for people who are running stable build of Oxygen OS 13.1. I know beta users have already got the update, but who are running stable version of 13.1, and if you guys haven't received the OTA update, download the file, place it inside the internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any of these folders. The file should be in the root directory. After that, what you have to do is you need to go to settings, about section, scroll down, go to version, tap on the version 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Once you see a pop-up that you have enabled developer option, then just go to about section, tap on Oxygen OS, and then you need to tap on these 3 dots. You should see an option called local install. And guys, if you don't see this local install option, just restart your device. In some cases, what happens is you will see local install, but you won't be able to tap on it. In that case, just restart your device, turn on airplane mode, and again turn it off, and later you are good to go. Once you see this local install, tapping on it, you need to select the file which you have downloaded. And guys, right now the files are only available for Indian region, so people from different regions like EU and NA, avoid installing these files. Just cross check the description below. Once those files are available, I'll update them on our website. So here you have the file, you just need to tap on it and you can see you got a pop-up of installation. Tap on extract. Extraction process might take few minutes. Once it is done, it will ask you to reboot your device and you are good to go. I've already installed it on my device, but still you can see the extraction process have started. This way you can install stable build of Oxygen OS 14 on any of your OnePlus devices. Also, if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This was a quick look on installing Oxygen OS 14. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.